sorry.
Welcome vlog na.
Welcome to vlog, guys.
Guys, welcome to vlog.
Shift against door shift.
Ayun, check. Asa ko putang mo, check.
Ano yun? Settings?
Settings.
Communicator. Tama ba ang connection? Tama naman. So, internal heart compatible loop simulation, including the 250 ohms, it's already there. So that's why we're able to communicate. Ay, patay ito. Kailangan on. Hindi naka-output.
May internet.
We have to reset. Hindi siya naka-output, hindi na buhay. Tama ba? Positive. Tapos negative to negative. Positive to negative. Buhay. Sorry, wrong connection. Sorry, wrong connection. Sa ground ako nakapalit.
Welcome to vlog.
So that's what I'm saying. Supposedly when I press that, it will be automatic. Saan yung ano niya, vent up? Pag binuksan vent yan. Pero hindi siya naka-zero. Pwede mong i-zero. So I am seeing already an issue. We are encoding zero. We are simulating zero here, but we have 3.977. It should be 4. So initially we'll check what is this transmitter saying to our communicator. What is the milliamps? So it's saying it's negative 0.73, which is actually not correct. Okay, so first, if it's pressure, we always zero it first. Kailangan natin i-zero. Let me just find where it is. Now, why? Because Siemens is not the same as Rosemount. Rosemount is what I am used to. And every transmitter, every model has different screens. So we'll be looking for zero. So I'll go to configuration. Probably calibration is there. Maintenance diagnostic. Service, current output, alarm time, saturation monitoring, limit monitoring, operation, calibration. Zero. So this is what I'm saying. It's DA trim here, but on the other transmitter, it's not DA trim. So right now, I wanted to zero it. No? Zero ang simulation. So this will now say that it's zero. Then later we'll correct the 4 milliamps. Okay. Because currently it's not saying it's zero. It's currently saying it's negative 0.071. Here it's 0.02. So magkaiba. We need to make it the same. So let's just zero it first. This means that loop should be removed from automatic control if you are doing it at the field. So you call Michael. Michael, can you please bypass first before I do this? Because it will there will be an issue. Yeah. There will be trouble if you start doing it. This will affect sensor calibration. Of course, we wanted to zero it. Zero na, ano? Sigurado ka itong Ben?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so zero natin. Apply zero to sensor. We're applying it already. So sensor zero succeeded. Well, actually, it's just a matter of zeroing the sensor and it becomes 4 already. So let's see. It's just loading, executing method. Pero initially we have 4 milliamps already. It's somehow saving the configuration. Yeah. So the pressure is now 0 actually. We're putting 0 and we are at 4 milliamps. Now I wanted to find out, actually 0 is already okay, but I wanted to find out if the span is also good. So first I will be looking at the configuration, going back.
Configuration.
Tingnan ko lang kung ano. I wanted to find out what is the upper limit or upper value. Setup maintenance. Setup probably. Measuring range. So it's up to 50 kapag. So I will be inputting 50 kapag here and wanted to see if this is also 20. At the same time, if this will be 50, this transmitter is saying that he is accepting 50. So, sara natin to. Let's close the vent. Ano ito?
Yung ano sir, vacuum at saka pressure.
Okay, so right now it's pressure.
Pressure.
Let's go back to the measuring portion. So, we need to see 50 there.
Bilong balong ya plat.
Dan.
Sugang pambi.
Mukha namang equal 60-60. But as you can see, it's giving 22.5 because it's over range.
Okay, fine adjust eh.
Perfect. 55.
So just by looking at it, 50.9, 50.9, 20.2, it's, I think it's calibrated. So no adjustment required, only the 0. So, but the problem of this transmitter is only the 0. Okay, so yan. Namang tama eh, no? Ayun, hindi siya 20 talaga. It's not an equal 20, but actually this kind of differences is okay. You don't need to make it really 20. But if you wanted to make it really 20, then let's do it na. Gawin natin talagang 20.
Sir, hindi kaya nakakita sa transmitter pag nakahiga yung transmitter.
Hindi na. No, it doesn't matter.
Iba ay
Kahit yung, sir,
Kaya ba?
yung pinaka.
Hindi. But normally, the mounting should be upright. So, but currently, it doesn't matter. So, we wanted to make it 20 exact, but right, for me, if I'm calibrating it, this is within tolerance already, so I don't need to change it. But what we wanted is to make it actual 20. Let me just find out where it is. Saan natin nakita yung calibration kanina? Operation, right?
Configuration.
Configuration, then operation, then calibration.
Calibration.
Then,
Operations.
no, we don't need to calibrate. We need to change the analog output to make it 20. Current output. It's not the adjustment na hanapin ko lang. Actually, the DA trim is also, it's okay. Because DA trim is for 19.975 and 19.974. So they are the same. So what I really wanted to calibrate is the pressure and the analog output. So it's not here. Sorry ha. I need to find it. Calibration lang yun. Pressure value. No, not this one. 03 position correction. Let me see sa others. That's what it exit.
Ito ang naman saan.
Sabi ko, please yan.
Ang ganda ng inyong calibrator.
Beamex ako sa kanya.
On other transmitters, that's analog output calibration. I'm just trying to find.
Other black na
Beamex. No, 800 is group.
Magaling may hitag.
100,000? Mura. Ang sako lang.
Kita pinay pag 2021 pa. Cancel.
Cancel eh.
Beamex, Katungard, pagpalagriya pa.
Hindi itong tatulog.
Sige mo, pag home din sa San Bernardo, katong heart o katong brain. Nag-PR ni. Ang cancel.
Cancel. May natatulong ka na agri ba?
Sa
Pwede
configuration.
pa siya gamitin dito.
Measuring range. Alam siya.
Current output. I think this is one. This is the one. So current output scaling 0 to 50. So it will be 4 to 20 for 0 to 50. So hindi yun. Current output limits. No, not this one. Measuring limits. Hindi rin ito. No, not this one. By the way, if this is a differential pressure transmitter and you wanted to make use of it for flow, you have to make it square root function. Dito yon, transfer function. In this case, it's not a differential pressure transmitter, so that's why linear only. But you can change that to square root function. Hindi ko makita, sorry. I cannot find it. Anyway, let's try the sensor trim. Baka pa pwede to. It should be analog output trim. Digital to analog, it's already equal, meaning 19.961 and it's also getting 19.961, so equal na siya. Hindi dito, not in this I'll show you. So this is the atrium. So this is the reference meter. Setting field device. So this field device will now set this to 4 milliamps. So if I yes it becomes 4. So if this is not equal, I just have to tell the transmitter that it's not equal. But right now, actually it's not equal, but 0.001 is too little. But anyway, let's try it na. So I'll just put 4.0001. So it's already equal, so yes. So it will now put 20. So it's 20. So meaning this is saying it's 20 and actually it's outputting 20 and we wanted digital portion to identify that it's 20. So actually I almost did not do anything because it's already almost equal. What I'm trying to find out is the analog output. I cannot see it. Sorry, it's still executing. So that's how you do DA trimming. That's what I wanted to show earlier in the temperature. However, the simulator is actually this one also, and I cannot make use of this one twice at the two function at the same time. And it's okay already. So this one 19.978 and 19.978. So actually they are both the same. So what I wanted to find out is where can I adjust the analog output, because I already gave 50, so it should be 20. So that's what I'm trying to find. So let me try to look at the sensor trim. Probably it's here. Apply high pressure. So we already have high pressure 50. Enter applied pressure. So it's 50. Ayan. So it doesn't have a separate analog output trim. It uses the upper sensor trim.
Sensor trim day.
Okay, so it's now equal.
50, 20.
So I can actually put some errors in it and then you can put it back. But right now I will not do that. So you just explore it first. Explore nyo muna. Sige, gets?